All right, we're here in Hanover Township. Elderly couple has a car trapped in their garage. The regular cause, broken spring. We'll get that fixed, rescue their car out, and get it taken care of and show you the after. All right, guys, we're back here in Hanover Township. Both spring changed, 225 springs. My customer will be able to get out their garage and go on vacation. That's what they're doing. So let it go up and down. You guys see the work. And their car will be able to be rescued.